think I did good today.
Yes, I did good today. I found 2 beautiful new peace lily plants, which are going to be beautiful additions to my home.
Remember, like I said in my last video, you have to get some plants in your home because there's health benefits in it. Something like the peace lily plant, like this one. Peace lily plant has a little white lily in it and nice big succulent plants. And as you can see, I have another plant that's coming out. One thing you want to know is that having plants and looking at greenery all day within your home actually reduces stress. It has been known to be really good for your mind and your mental health. Just looking at greenery triggers a relaxation response in your brain. It lowers your cortisol level, which is your stress hormone, the cortisol. And you definitely want to keep that level low. And it activates feelings of calm and well-being. Having a house full of green plants and just plants in general has a way of really calming your mind, calming your nerves. If you do feel stressed, especially if you're in your bedroom or your living room, just throw a few plants in there and you'll see the difference. At least I know I have. It definitely has made a difference in my living space. Just think about it. And especially those of you who are working from home. They said plants help reduce mental fatigue. And it actually helps increase your productivity. It gives you mental clarity, just, surrounding your office with plants, which is, I think that's going to be the next thing I do. This bad boy was featured in my last video, and it actually started out as a small little plant. Someone gave it to me as a housewarming gift, and this has been with me for years, and I have seen it grow and bloom over the years. So if you say plants are too expensive, you can go to Home Depot or any plant store and get the little small ones, because this started out as a very small plant. And then look at it now. It's probably one of the few plants that I haven't killed, but just find easy plants that you can grow. So there you have it. This has been Nurse Sabrina Clayton. I want you to get out there and get you some more plants now that you have a little bit more information on it. And whatever plants you like. I mean, there's so many of them. There's the snake plant, there's the rubber plant. There's like so many plants out there that will be very easy to care for. And don't worry, the snake plant is not what it sounds like, Mom. It is not a plant full of snakes. It is called that because of its shape, as you can see by the picture I have here. But apparently, it's a very good plant, along with the ZZ plant. There's certain ferns that you can get. The Boston fern. There's so many plants that are so good for your health. You're bound to find something in that group of plants in that family to care for and to add to your home, your beauty space in your home. That's it. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for being my subscribers. I really appreciate you. And I will bring more healthy tips like this for you, your body, and your home, your living space, which in turn affects your health. All right. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.
Here are a few fun facts about the peace lily. That little flower you see isn't really a flower at all. It is a modified leaf called a spathe. And a peace lily is known as a natural air purifier. As a matter of fact, it's featured in NASA's famous 1989 clean air study for filtering indoor toxins from our air. Some of these toxins include ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, and other impurities from the air. This has been Nurse Sabrina Clayton. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. Here's a warning. The peace lily plant can be toxic to humans, cats, and dogs. If you get it in your mouth, it can cause burning, tingling in the lips, the tongue, and in severe cases, nausea, vomiting, and difficulty swallowing.